Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking. Today we'll be preparing lemon chicken curry. Coming up. Now we are used to having Indian style chicken curry with lot of spices. But the dominant flavor in this particular chicken curry is that of lemon and bell peppers or capsicum. On top of that, it requires minimal ingredients and it's very easy to make. So let's check out the ingredients. But before doing that, let me remind you that now you can get the entire recipe of this dish on our website simplysimplecooking.net. You can check out the link on top of your screen. So we are going to start with marinating the chicken first. For that, I have taken half kg of boneless chicken cut as curry pieces, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and some salt. So for marination, let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and some salt. Now we have to mix this really well. Now once mixed, let's keep this aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And now let's check out the other ingredient. For the curry, I have taken 2 large onions chopped, 2 medium-sized capsicums chopped. I have used a red capsicum and a green capsicum. You can always use both green capsicums. Around 3 to 4 green chillies, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Now I am using half lemon. I am going to squeeze the entire lemon juice of this in once the curry is ready. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Now to save time, I am going to cook the chicken first. So we will be cooking the chicken in a pressure cooker. So in a pressure cooker, let's add all the chicken. And I am going to add very little water. Remember, when you cook chicken, chicken will release its own water. So you don't really have to add a lot of water. Cover the cooker and now let's keep it on the gas. Now here goes the cooker. I'll add the whistle on top and now allow 2 whistles. Now after 2 whistles, let's take it off the gas. Remember, we do not have to cook the chicken completely. So as the cooker cools down, let's start making the curry. For that, let's add 3 tablespoons of oil in a vessel and let it heat up. So as the oil heats up, let's add all the onions. Now let the onions become soft. As the onions become soft and become translucent, let's add the green chilies and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Along with that, add all the capsicums. Now you have to mix them really well. So the onions and capsicums needs to blend well together and let this cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. So as the onions and capsicums are halfway cooked, let's add the turmeric. Now I am adding the turmeric little later as this will avoid the turmeric from burning. The green and red color of the capsicum along with the yellow color of turmeric is giving a new fresh look to the dish. Now as the onions and capsicum are half cooked, now it's time to add our chicken. So let's add the cooked chicken. Now mix it well and now let's add some more water in this curry. Now just cover it up and let this cook together for at least 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, let's open and check. It's smelling really good. So let's add a little bit of salt. Remember, we had already added salt when marinating the chicken, so you don't really have to add a lot of salt. Now let's switch off the gas and we will be adding fresh lemon juice in it. To ensure that you don't squeeze in also the seeds of the lime, just squeeze it in your spoon. Now let's mix this. Give it a stir and take it off the gas. So let's serve. So here it is. The green and red capsicums along with the yellow color is giving a real freshness to this dish, and also the lemon is adding to the lemony aroma of this dish. So wasn't that curry simply simple, guys? You can enjoy this recipe with some bread or some steaming rice or even with some pao. If you have liked my recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also do consider subscribing. As I said before, you can now get the entire recipe of this dish on our website simplysimplecooking.net. So this was it, guys, from me in this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. See you again in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.